All right, what's going on, guys? It's Nando back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And today we're going to be unboxing and having a quick hands-on impressions of the new Otterbox Symmetry Plus series case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, so this is I think it's a $59.99 price case. This is not cheap, ladies and gentlemen. This is not a cheap case. Now, I have used Otterbox cases before. They're not my go-to by any means. However, I figured I'd give this one a shot for this particular reason. See that? Made for Magsafe. So obviously you guys don't need me to go over it, but I'll touch base on it real quick. Apple has created their Magsafe. So actual puck itself that's magnetic, you can attach this to the back of your phone, and then you should be able to start charging. As you guys can see, I have a case on my phone that's not MagSafe certified like Otterbox claims, and then it is a little bit difficult to have this attached. Most of the times this actually slips off, but it's doable. Okay, now, is having some magnets in a case worth $59.99? No, absolutely not. Matter of fact, Otterbox sells their other cases, non-MagSafe, for a more affordable price point of $39, $29, $49. However, just the fact that it's made for MagSafe, no, it's not worth it. However, let's unbox it. Let's take a look. Let's see how good this actually attaches, because if this hooks on real well, then that's that's what this case is all about. The other thing I'm looking for here is how thick does this case get. So as long as this case doesn't get too thick, that it's a little unwieldy, because this is already a big phone, then we're in good shape. So let's go ahead and unbox this. That's it. There's really no other literature inside. Alright, so let's look at the case. Hard shell on the back, branding at the bottom, cutout. So if you're holding your phone, left hand side obviously, volume rocker, mute switch, and there's the Magsafe, made for Magsafe. Cutouts at the bottom for your lightning port and for your speakers. What else we've got here on the side? Power button. And the sides have a little bit of rubber. So the portion right here that goes around the power button, or so this portion right here, is rubberized. And then back to hard shell. So let's go ahead and slap this bad boy on. Yeah, definitely hooks on. There is no guessing where this thing hooks up to. Boom. So I mean, yeah, for the fact that it's made for MagSafe, and you know, you're literally boom, and it's on. Boom. So let me change cases here, guys. Give me a second. So here's the iPhone 12 Pro. Boom. And it's on. Boom. If I was brave and I didn't want to use a case, this is how I would rock it. Because that magnet does hook on pretty well. Now let me put the case on. For me, oh, that's a tight fit. Oh no. I don't know. Guys, that's a tight fit. Huh. I hope you guys can see. Yeah, that's a tight fit. You're definitely gonna, man, that might be a concern if you've got a screen protector on like I do. That does not play. All right, so now that it's on, I like it. It doesn't make it feel any thicker. You know what I don't like though? I don't like the tactile feedback on these buttons, boys. Not liking it. Very flush. Very mush. Yeah, definitely mush. All right. Well, let's go ahead, slap this on. Boom. That ain't going nowhere. I like it. So in terms of the Magsafe compatibility, yeah, made for Magsafe. There you go. All right. No one's wondering if this is going to latch on or not latch on. In terms of price point, it's up to you to decide if it's worth it or not. Let me know in the comment section below if Otterbox is a case that you go to, that you like buying. Do you think it's overpriced? Do you believe in this Magsafe compatibility thing or not? Again, this is the Otterbox Symmetry series Drop Plus, made for Magsafe, iPhone 12 Pro Max, 5G compatible material, whatever the hell that means. $59.99. I'm gonna leave you a link if I can to Amazon in the description. And again, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Please, those subscriptions are free and that helps out the channel immensely. Like always, it was Nando. Peace, salute, and adios.